Hey, it's Leo from MarineMax, and I've got an exciting little boat to show you today. This is the Boston Whaler 130 Super Sport. For a lot of us, this is a boat that started it all. It's an amazing boat for a family, amazing for kids, and kind of a great do-all boat to have in your arsenal. This particular boat's in the white color with the white rub rail and stainless steel insert. It does come with the galvanized trailer that you see below it. A couple options that this boat has. It's got the bimini top here with the black canvas. We've done the optional windshield. We've also done the teak boarding steps on the back side of the boat. Of course, like any 13 Sport, it's got the removable gas tank and the battery tray here. One of the nice features about this boat is it's truly a hose and go boat. It's got one switch on board for the anchor lights and nav lights. And other than that, is the simplest boat that money can buy. This boat comes equipped with a 40 horsepower 4-stroke Mercury out back. It's plenty of power to zip around the lake. It does about 30 miles an hour comfortably. It's a great power package for this boat. Up here at the helm, you got a couple options on this one. I mentioned the windshield. We've also done this opening section here. This is new, actually as standard on the 13 Super Sport. It's got room to put your phone, your keys, things like that in there. Again, this boat is a single switch boat. You got lights right here, and you do have a 12-volt accessory now on these. It's a super easy boat, turnkey, hose and go. It's a phenomenal boat to get out on the water. Give us a call today to check it out in person. Leo Johnson, MarineMax Lake Norman. Thanks for watching.